Hi there, thank you for joining me today. I have a package to open and I was looking forward to opening it with you. I'm taking a trip later in the year and at first I wasn't going to take my computer with me and then I decided I really do need it. So I need a bag to take it in. I have a computer bag that I bought a while back. I take it on the plane. It doesn't quite fit under the seat, but it does fit in the overhead bin. I used it a couple of times and then I bought a new computer. It's 17 inches and it doesn't fit in the computer part of the bag. It only fits in the main part. And so I decided I really needed a new bag for a 17-inch computer. Now, Lisa's suggestion was just take a 15, we've got a 15.6, I could just take that, and I'm like, nah, I want my computer. So I needed to get a new bag. So that's what I've got. Got it from Amazon, as you see, and that was interesting. So tell me, is it just me, or does everybody have this trouble? I searched on Amazon for a computer bag to carry on with wheels for a 17-inch computer, and what I got were results that included bags that only fit 15.6. So I had to go check the specs on each one, so that was kind of a pain. Anyway, here it is. It came, oh, it's not much packaging in here, it's just the bag. So how to get it open. And for my next trick, I'll figure out how to get this tape off. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Okie doke. So, it actually looks to be a better colour than it looked online. They call it purple, but online it was really looking kind of magenta-ish. And I thought, well, I mean, it wouldn't have been my choice, but it seemed like it would do the job, and I thought at least I'll be able to see it easily. But this looks to be a darker purple. I know the light in here is horrible, sorry about that. Well, it's well packaged in this bag. It wasn't about to fall out of here. I'll just get the zipper open. Okay. Alright. One bag. So the brand is Matein. Can you see that? I've never heard of this. It had decent reviews though, so hopefully it's going to be good and hold up well. But it's a fabric. This is like vinyl, but most of it's fabric. It has a zipper pocket up here. Let's see. Well, that's interesting. I can put my hand down there, but I can't really pull it out. But there are some pockets in here. There's stuff things in, and the main pocket. I'm not sure what I'm going to use that for. There's a little narrow pocket, you know, like you put pens in. But I can reach in here okay, so I guess that will work okay. Alright, let's find the next pocket here. Okay, this is the computer pocket. Let me turn that around so you can see. It has a nice grey lining and they've got the brand name all over this vinyl lining. I am going to run and get my computer because if that doesn't fit, the whole thing's a waste of time. But I'm sure it will, because that's really big. Okay, that was rather rude of me. I was talking to you while I was walking away. Sorry about that. But here's my computer, and of course color doesn't match at all, but yes, it fits in there, and it's nice and snug. Whoa. Now, this lighting is really horrible, and I'm sorry for that. It has the requisite, what do you call this? Okay, that completely escapes me. Velcro, the Velcro strap. It's got the little Velcro bit and the little bit to attach to, but it's far enough down that this will hold it in nicely. It doesn't move. There is another pocket inside here. So that is as far as this opens. So now I can't give you a really good look, but there are pockets here. There's actually one pocket across here. So I'll pull that out so I'm not dealing with this extra weight. Because my computer's quite heavy. I'm going to zip up that pocket and go for the next one. Okay, this one is better because it opens, well, it still doesn't open all the way, but it does open more. Oh, you know what? It does open all the way. It's got Velcro on the side. How about that? Now I can open all of that out. It's got this nice big pocket here. Whoa, not one big pocket, it's two pockets here. And I'll show you that bit in a minute. And the strap just to hold my overnight things in. Because you know, when you take a flight, you always want to carry that spare set of clothes just in case the luggage doesn't make it, so that'll be good. But it also came with these I guess you call it doesn't really seem like a packing cube, but I guess that's essentially what it is. There's this one that has a plastic clear vinyl front. I can pack that in there. It is all vinyl, so anything that might get messy, that will be good to pack in there. Comes with a little handle so I can just hold it. And this one has like a net front. Yeah, it's mostly vinyl. It has just like the netting on the top so I can see what's in there. Actually, I could see that on the clear vinyl one, couldn't I? And then this is the same thing, but bigger. So there's three little things that I can contain all my stuff in this big pocket. Okay, and fasten this up. I guess I'm just going to snap these Velcro strips together again and fasten that. And I don't think I'm actually through yet. There are more pockets. Lots of pockets are a good plan, right? I'm going to have this with me, but it does have the locking zipper. You know, you just put your little padlock through. Oh, okay, it's this part here I haven't seen. And this just holds the handle. If I can get it to expand, it will be even better. There we go. Yeah, you know, just your typical press the button and pull it up and it's all good. Press the button, push it back down, and it's nicely hidden in this little pocket at the top. Right, just tucked in here. And on the back, it does have a strap. I can put it over my other luggage if I want to, but then it does have wheels, so I can just pull it along. They're not spinners. Do I need spinners? Probably not. I did see some that had spinners. I just didn't like the rest of it, or they were only took the smaller computers. So I think this will be just fine. I obviously don't know how it's going to travel yet. Hopefully it will do okay. I did ask a friend that I'm traveling with if he'd help me get it in the overhead bin if I need to, because that's kind of a struggle for me to pick up heavyweight things. Well, it does have this nice little tag. Yeah, that is strapped on. It's pretty, but unless I just really want the name of the bag, don't know why I'd want that, but nice sturdy handle to carry it should I have the urge to do that. I think that's about it. So again, that's a Matein bag. I am quite pleased with the colour. It looks like it will be good. It does have a lifetime warranty. I'm not sure whose lifetime that is. It does say to learn more about our lifetime warranty, I can go search for the company. But it's nicely put together. It has nice gold attachments, and of course I showed you the label on it, which is gold also. So overall, I think I'm going to be pleased with it. We'll see how it travels later in the year. Thanks for joining me. If you like unpacking videos, if you like unpacking boxes with us, we'd appreciate it if you'd give us a like, subscribe below. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.